morning, guys. Today is the Barbie World premiere. Welcome back to my channel, by the way. I am in this setting before the makeup because I want to take you guys to my fitting. I am getting a fitting and a Barbie gown, glamour gown, made by Ray Ortiz. I worked with Ray Ortiz in my Got the Glam video. He made my full green fantasy in my music video called Got the Glam, if you guys didn't remember. Let's go to the fitting. I want to make this like a vlog style get ready with me video, so I hope you guys enjoy this full glamour Barbie day.
Baby, the body.
Hi. Hello. I am going to lose so much weight in this dress.
How Barbie are you when they ask you?
I think I'm just serving glamour Barbie.
She's judging
What do you
hard.
think of my dress? Do you like my dress?
This bow is ridiculous.
Okay, what did you say about this bow? You had to
I
go
went
to
to
Home
Home
Depot
To
for
do
my
this-
big ass.
Yep.
He said, oh, PatrickStarrr Home Depot.
The kind of drama that we do, Home Depot, baby,
Thank
sometimes.
you so much.
Absolutely, my love.
Wow, you guys, we're in the studio. Look at Paul's outfit for the premiere. Okay, Barbie. So we are here in the studio with Peter, with our little setup. Say, hey, Peter. Ready for the Barbie premiere, guys. My fitting was HOTT. I'm gonna go ahead and start my makeup. JK, I lied. I wanna show you guys something. Look at the atelier that we have up in Star Studios. What are you doing? Tell the kids, what are you doing?
We're doing this so last minute, but Patrick wants his bordello heels covered. I made the patterns for them last night so that we could cover them.
So we're gonna take this and cover the shoe. And then we have another customer right here. What are you getting done, Peter?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna be getting my pants tailored. You know, we don't need to go to the tailor because we have our own.
No free feet.
No free feet. Hope you don't mind. We're gonna keep it here on this camera because we want to keep it raw and real. You're gonna hear sewing in the back. You might hear Paul farting in the back. You might hear Peter burping in the back. I have prepped my eyes and I want to keep it neutral. You guys, I did a trial last night with blue and I look like Alaska Thunder. Okay, after I tried on the dress, I wanted to keep it more like neutral and blue, and I have the perfect color in the Visionary eyeshadow palette. This color, oh my god, it's called Rebel Gray. So pretty. Isn't this like the perfect shimmer? It's like subtle, but it's not like overbearing. So guys, I want to go for this like bronze glam Barbie. So of course, you know, this is the Visionary palette. By the way, this is on major sale. You guys need to grab it now. These colors right here on this side is my jams. Y'all know these three right here. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of mango and put this into the crease just as my transition color. And then I'm gonna go in with this color called Soft Serve and then deepen it up. And then I'm gonna go in with Booked and smoke out the end. Once I get all my transition colors down, then it'll be time for the lid color. You can never go wrong with the transition colors. Like, I know this look is gonna be plastic fantastic. Okay guys, you know, I'm wearing a corset today, so let me spill some tea, okay? So when you are wearing a corset, you know, you want the tight fantasy, and Douse was like, I did a fitting for my Barbie outfit and I want my corset so tight. And I'm like, baby girl, you've never had a corset on, so you're gonna suffocate. It's really painful. So the other night, we went to Louis' party, right? We looked fabulous, and I went with Athena. Jose. Miss Mama over here was in her corset, cinched. And then at his party, he had an al pastor stand. And Miss Athena was like, you know, tango hambre. And I said, girl, go off. She said, stop. Ooh, I'm gonna need to loosen my corset. Well, ain't that right, girl?
I had to go to the bathroom and loosen up my corset because I was busting at the seams.
And girl, when I zipped her before we left, I said, woo, this is tight. This was like her back skin. It was like this. Her back was like this. This was her scapular. Her back was touching. And she said, can you zip up my dress again? I said, I don't think it's gonna go up.
And he couldn't.
And Miss Candy Lover 89 girl, she had some missing nails and she said, Monday. She said, and girl, his back said, broop, it went up.
Yeah, it did.
Okay guys, so the thing about doing a smoky eye is that I exaggerate all my features, that when I am putting the dark shadow, I actually am not putting it on my lid, I'm putting it kind of outside. I feel like over the years, my makeup has evolved and I'm learning more about my face and the features that I want to enhance. And the eyes is just one of them. And so I feel like whenever I bring the eyes out, it kind of assists in my cheekbones and making them more You know what I mean? Because I have such a round face, but the way that I paint makes it look more snatched. So if you guys want to enhance your features, like lift the face, bring your eyeshadow out, bring your contour a little bit higher, bring your blush a little bit higher. When I was doing Tyra Banks' makeup tea, I put her blush so high, she said, I don't know you can put blush that high.
I never go up there. Am I getting schooled? I love it.
And it looked amazing. I am so excited about this Rebel Gray, you guys. I barely get to use like this side of the palette. This, I think, was made for the Barbie premiere. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my brush. If you guys haven't tried this Peach and Lily spray, oh, it is so sickening. And then watch. Pretty. Wow, look at this lid. So freaking pretty. You guys can see I have leftover eyeliner from last night. You guys are new to this channel. After applying frost, I love applying a matte shadow and blending it in. Please, if you guys ever do a lid, always blend it into your shimmers so it gives that professional look. Do you see the gradient from matte to shimmer? I wanted me to do a TikTok and made me wear the wig just like this.
You're the one who put it on.
Would I wear something like this? This is not me. I cannot live without these two primers, you guys. This is Secure the Sweat. This will be back in stock. Guys, great news. Secure the Sweat Primer is back in stock this Monday, July 17th, 2023. Be sure to check it out at onesizebeauty.com, and then it'll be in Sephora in a few weeks, so stay tuned. But we are back in stock. When I tell you guys this flew off the shelf, it flew. You guys already know this one. This is Secure the Blur. This is a makeup magnet primer. This literally grips my foundation on my face. And knowing that I am wearing latex today, it is gonna, why am I flipping my hair like it's my real hair? Now, when it comes to Secure the Sweat, I have been seeing a few videos and a few comments floating around the internet about how this is pilling. Now, how you wanna use this, I'm gonna show you guys, is to take a small amount, rub it in your hands to evenly distribute the powders, because there is oil and sweat absorbing powders in this, and dry skin, dry application. A lot of people are using this with moisturizer or serum before, and I get it. You guys want to do your skin prep, but if you really think about it in theory, because this soaks up oil, soaks up sweat, primer is recognizing your moisturizer and your serum as oil or sweat. So that's why it's probably pilling or it's separating. So it's best if you only apply it only where you sweat or where you're oily. You want to let it dry for at least 1 minute. You guys see, you can barely see it. It's now just settling into the skin, and it will absorb everything after and on top of what you put on. Sorry guys, I had to take that ratty tatty wig off because it was getting a little bit hot up in here. Foundations today. This will be the Krylon TV Paint Stick. This is Drag Queen Essential Needed. I'm using the colors FS27 and FS29. I mixed these two. And you just gotta trust me on the process, baby, okay? Guys, do you see my nose? There is no pilling, there is no flaking, and the foundation is literally absorbing into this. Are you guys liking this iPhone like setup? Because this is kind of giving. It's giving like raw, it's giving real, it's giving a YouTuber. I like it. What do you guys think? Guys, so for contour, I normally use the Huda Tantour, but I have this color in NG2 by Krylon, and I'm gonna use this just so we're in the same format and mediums today. And putting on the cap like it's working. I love playing RuPaul's Drag Race.
All right, I see the fabric here. So what's your inspiration here?
Mama Faye, I'm covering the biggest clown shoes I've ever seen in my life.
Let me see your Snatch Game impression. Who are we doing?
We're doing Barbie today.
Give me a taste.
No.
I've heard that before, so let's see if you can turn it out.
He goes, sashay away.
Those shoes.
The shoes.
The shoes. This is giving you Barbie real. Show them what's the before. This is the before. This is after. This is couture. Let's see how they last on the red carpet. These are shredding.
Y'all have been sleeping on this Butter Silk Concealer. You guys know I use this and I love this. This is in the shade medium 2R. This is really gonna snatch the look. And you know, for the makeup and the base, I love using liquid concealers because I feel like it moves more with like the skin under the eye because I'm much more expressive under here. So I love using like these full coverage liquids on the center of the face and then heavy duty creams on the outside just because, you know, I'm a big girl and I sweat a lot. You guys see the blush? I want to look so plastic fantastic that I am using the cream blush from One Size. This is Attention Seeker right on the middle, and then then on the outside, I am using Freaky Peach. So I like to call this like sunset blush. So I'm taking Freaky Peach on the outside and then Attention Seeker on the apples. And then when I gradient this, it'll show through the flash photography and underneath the powder, and it looks so perfect. So I want to emphasize that literally having all your creams, your contour, your cream blush, and your concealer, everything is so important if you want that perfect, smooth, plastic, fantastic Barbie skin. Guys, you see, even with the baking and me applying this Turn Up the Base powder foundation to bring color back into the face, you guys can still see the blush peeking through. This is exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to having your creams play a significant role when it comes to your overall glam. Guys, I've been loving this Mario bronzer. This is his soft sculpt bronzer. It reminds me of my MAC mineralized skin finish, but it picks up a lot easier on the brush. To cut everything a little bit harder, I like taking my Made for Shade One Size Trio just to clock the face. Like I did earlier with the creams, I'm taking Very That. On the outside, you see how pretty this blends in? You know, I believe in like gradients. When it comes to good makeup, gradient is like your best friend. And be careful because I just applied my lashes and the last thing I want is for my lashes to become dusty, so I have to be careful. And next, I am taking the Attention Seeker blush and just applying this Barbie pink right here. I know it looks like a lot. It's gonna simmer down just because it's on powder. All right, so for my lips, I am taking One Size, of course. This is like my favorite pink nude combo. Out of Line lip liner by One Size. It's this beautiful like pinky tone. And then I love this brown liner called Rent Zoo. These two mixed with Be About It with some clear gloss gives this kind of like nude peachy vibe, which I think will complement my skin tone and most of all, my dress. These are the most perfect bottom lashes that I've ever had. They are by the brand Eldora. They're the tiniest little clusters in the style S407. So sickening. Do you guys see what Stage White just did to my face? I put it down the middle of my nose, the center of the forehead, under the eyes, and it just gives that perfect blur and perfect dimension. So to melt all the powders, you guys, I have a secret concoction of sprays right here that melt my face. If you guys want to know the combo, let me know. And then after this, I like to go in with Until Dawn to waterproof everything. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face just to keep it matte all day. When I tell you latex is latexing so hot, at the Little Mermaid premiere, I had to shove paper towels up under my turban because the latex was sweating. Me and Peter had to go to the McDonald's stand because the turban was like slowly slipping. So now because I have like latex, I'm gonna do one of these and shove paper towels up in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the body. Let me show you how I put it on the body. So we are doing the TikTok that we did from the last vlog and we're trying to do it again. We need to practice because we just messed it up. 4, turn, put your hand down. You're gonna go like that and then snap.
And right now you're getting on my last nerve. Switch.
We should hug ourselves. Hug, hug, hug. You like, oh my god. Excuse you. What? You're hurting me. Ow. You wanna tell me something? Fabian told our designer Ray Ortiz, put in a parachute zipper, cause she about to fall. Look at this. I had never seen a bigger zipper in my life. Camila Cabello would be like, and see ya. I wanna swing from the chandelier. It looks so stunning.
Why am I out of breath?
Okay guys, so for body makeup, we're gonna use Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs makeup. This is water resistant and it's in the shade Medium Glow. Do not be scared because it does look a little yellow.
You guys don't know. Patrick's not the only makeup artist in the family.
Look at these earrings. They're so perfect. This is like the color Moonstone and it has like this reflex blue. Oh my god. So excited. Guys, so because this is so sweaty and so hot and we're gonna be outside, I'm gonna take this turban that I have from Santee Alley and put this on as like a sweat catcher behind the ear.
Come on now. Okay, so we are currently in the van now. Patrick is...
Get me a light.
Patrick was thinking that he could stand in here.
And then I fell. That red carpet was fierce. It is so hot. Everybody's like, are you okay? And I'm like, wait, is this my train?
Yeah.
We heard that Carol G is here. I bumped into Carol G and Thalia's manager, Oscar. We're gonna do something without Nicki Minaj. She's here.
Wait, what?
Yeah, she's here.
No, she's not.
Yeah, yes, she is. Guess who's here?
Oh, how'd you have to get out?
Guess who's here?
Nikki?
Nikki. We just saw the whole cast. We saw Dula Peep, Simu Liu, Margot Robbie, Ryan Gosling. We're gonna let you know how the movie is after, and we'll see you at the after party. Or should I film the movie? Guys, we just saw the movie. The movie was everything. I literally took off my turban to put on my wig, and we snatched it back on. So now we're on our way to the after party. And we'll be at the after party with all the Barbies and Ken. Guys, I cannot. Guys, we're pretty much here at the Barbie Met. Everybody's on this bus. Some guys are very, very handsome. If you guys know who they are. Get the sea of people out here, you guys. He's so stupid.
I've been working on myself. I really try my best to change, but something's in a love fade. Right?
What are you doing, man?
Running, I'm running, I'm running. Running, I'm running, I'm running.
Guys, I met Margot Robbie, and I just brought home 2 Barbies. Oh my god.
Collectors only. Limited edition.
So I'm about to de-dry and take this turban off. Ooh. And we'll see you guys out. Don't drop my jewelry. Don't drop my jewelry. Free at last.
There were so many people coming up to us, and they were like, I just saw your hickey video. Should I go with the I was like, bitch.
The one that gave you the hickey? Show them how much freaking ranch you order.
I ordered one, you ordered another.
Can you take off my bottom lashes? Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. We have Wingstop. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Shout out to Margot Robbie. She asked me for a picture, you guys. She is so humble. And I got the chance of meeting Nicki Minaj. She also asked me for a picture tonight. So shout out to you, Barb. If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is the one size fits all. I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.